So, now then. Why was it on the ending stream? Why was it on the ending stream? Well, anyway. Why was it on the ending stream? Well, anyway. Okay, that seems to work. Let's put some music on. This should be good, I think. Soft, chill music. Like this, I think. Okay. Oh. Is it a bit loud? Wait a sec, I'll check real quick. Maybe a bit. Turn it down a bit more. Like so. Good. Then I'll just quickly set some stuff up. Okay. We could. I'm gonna wait till 11. And then we can start. Yeah, okay. Today we're just gonna maybe do some. I want to fix the cape. That's the one thing I definitely want to do. And yeah, after that, animations. We'll just see how it goes. I think it'll take quite a bit for the animations. Quite a bit of time. Today's the longest stream, so that's good. We definitely need the time. Because the rope night took like 1.5 hours and wasn't really much. But yeah. Should be fine. I'm still a tiny bit sick, but not that much. So it should be fine, I think. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, it's 11. I'm gonna switch scenes. Oh, I might need to fix this real quick. Because for some reason... Oh, there we go. Okay. So this should be good. Okay. Now, this is our little rope knight that we made last time. And for some reason, wait a sec. I think OBS is not, or Twitch is not updating the stream, right? I'm just quickly gonna check. No, okay, it is. Right. Stream delay. Where's my mouse? Is my mouse doing stuff? Do I have it like on pause or something? There we go. Okay. Good. Perfect. So that works. Good. Okay. Now then. Okay, first of all, I want to fix this cape. I mean, it's okay, I'd say, but still. I want to put a bit of like brighter color maybe here and like darker color maybe there. Let's just try doing that. Bit of a brighter color. Oh god, is there a difference right there? I don't think so. Oh right, because we're... Okay, because we're doing it on a salt layer. Oops. Oh god, okay. It already starts. Okay, we need to quickly... Yeah, I know it. Okay. I'm just quickly this and then like this, I think. Wait, oh. Quickly gonna delete that. Now we're gonna put it here again. I think that's how it was. Or was it like this? I think it was like this, but this is fine. It's maybe better. Okay. Now we shouldn't go for the sword, but the body plus cape, and now we can do this, go a bit brighter. something I want smooth. And just like this. Maybe that's too much. Maybe like this. That seems fine. Now I want a tiny bit darker. I want to put it like here. Like this. I want that too. Yeah, I think I made it tiny dark, otherwise you can't really see it. Yeah, I think that's good. Like so, I think. Okay, that's looking quite alright. Okay, I already forgot. This isn't the body, but the head. So just quickly gonna do this. That should be fine. I want this one a little bit brighter. Like so. And then this one again. Okay, I want this card a bit more. What is it? Which? Oh, okay. So this one's more orange. So this one, let's go more there. Yeah, it looks a bit better. I'd say even a bit brighter, like this. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. I might even do it like this. I think that's fine. Okay. Now it looks a bit better, the cape, everything all together. Okay, and then we can start doing the animation. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, and this is like the first frame, right? I'm pretty sure. Question is, how do we add another frame? I'm just quickly gonna search it up. Sprite adding frame. Okay. It's the Alt key and then N. Good. Oh wait, that I didn't want to do. Okay, Alt N. Perfect. So we copied or we duplicated the frame before that. So now we can. It's basically the same thing, but now we can like change. Change the different layers. So I think we want to do the idle animation first, no? Okay. I'm thinking about it going up and down, because like, what's an idle animation? An idle animation is in breathing, right? So I think everything just needs to go down a frame, maybe even to the side a bit. So we have that, then we can do this one, adding right there. This one we're adding. Okay, I think I did it on this. Yeah, okay, good. I'm just gonna delete that, that's fine. And then we have to do the cape. Oh. Move it down a bit, like this. I think we can turn this on. Okay, that didn't seem to work. For some reason. Isn't that onion skin? I think so, no? I thought... okay, well... It's fine. Okay. It's first frame, this is second. We all put it down like one step. Okay, the sword can also move one down to the sides. Question is if we want the that's fine, I guess. We moved the cape a bit too much, I think. Okay, we're on the head layer, not the body slash cape layer. I think like this was the perfect. That's like exactly one frame down, which we don't want. Maybe we just move the head a bit. I think that would look better, right? So we can basically delete this one. Alt N. Now we have the exact same frame again. And now we just move the head a bit to the front. And or maybe down. Maybe down one. Okay. That seems fine. We can just... Okay, wait. Okay, I'm doing some weird stuff for some reason. I duplicated them. I didn't want that. Okay. Did I delete anything? I don't think so. I hope so. Okay, we're just gonna move it like normal. Like this. I think like this was how it was. And then this one. Okay. We can put it through. It's quite fast, to be honest. Can I? Yeah, that's actually fine. That's completely fine, I think. Right? I think so. Okay, good. Then we have the idle animation. I'm gonna save this. not in sprites, but in animations. And then we're gonna do notes. And then we're gonna call this animation idle. Okay. Good. Now that we have the idle animation, we can just yeah, delete this one. And now we should do the running animation. Okay, I'm just gonna do 2 key points, I think. I think we're gonna start with the head again. We want the head to be like there, maybe. And for some reason, this part is still there. Then we need to go to frontal, which is here, add that there, back one, which is here, add that there. And then we want the body. I don't think we want to move the body really. I want to angle the sword a bit more. A bit more up. Like this maybe. I didn't create a new layer. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'm not really sure how to. Nope. Okay, wait. File. Open the idle sprite. That's completely fine. This one's that one. We just want to copy this whole frame, put it in here, and then move it to there. Now we have, oh, okay, no, that moving was unnecessary. Okay, now we have that animation, which is fine. No, that frame, not the animation. Okay. I'm gonna quickly edit the sword to its proper way, how it should be. That is fine, I think I'm gonna add like this right here. Then I gotta do this like so, I think. No, not really. Yeah, I think that's fine. Maybe that one is unnecessary. Yeah, it's better. Okay, then we gotta add these ones. Like so. I think. Oh my god, we're still on the software. Whoops. Keep forgetting about this. And what's the music playing? Hello? Wait a second. Okay. We fix that. Good. Okay, now let's go on to the body and no, yeah, the soft layer. Okay, I do want it like this, I think. Like so, that it's a bit arching. Down right there. I think this looks alright. Like so. Hello? Okay. Now we want it like this, like this. And that should be fine. I want to add a bit of a flutter effect here. These feet are uneven, I just noticed. Well, it's fine. Oh. Like so, I think. Nope, not like that. I want the leg to be a bit more at the front. Like so. Okay. Nope. I'm just gonna copy this this frame again, because I think this isn't this like the start into the running animation. It's like standard, and then it's like going into it. Maybe we need to do something with the horns. Oh, that's fine, I think. Because the horns should be static like the head. Okay. And here we... I would actually like to do this. Okay, that's because of this. We just like this. Okay, and then we need to move the other leg as well. So I would like to put it a bit back, like so. And then move this whole leg Like here, maybe. We gotta move the cape a bit more, I think. Further back, because we're running, right? So let's make a new outline. Delete all of this. This should be fine. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of movement here. Like so. Just so that it does move a bit. Okay, I don't think we want this one. Cause just these two are like the running animation, I think. I'm just gonna copy this one real quick and then delete it. Okay. Oh, okay, I can, okay. Well, we're just gonna need this one down. Wait. This one down. Done, added like that, so we have it again. I'm just gonna do this one because this one doesn't work for some reason. I don't know why. I thought this was onion. It's gonna like shadows the one before. Oh, it doesn't look like it. Well, anyway. Okay, I do like the cape is moving fully. I would like to move the sword a bit in this one as well. So let's just quickly do that. Which button was this one again? Okay. Okay, that looks horrible, but alright. Oh, wait, no, I don't know. Okay, I think I want this one a bit further up, like here. That might look better. And we want this one a bit more angled. Just a bit, not too much. Like this should be fine. And here we have this again. Why is there this part right here? That shouldn't be. Hello? What? Why is... what happened? I think the body just... No, wait, what? Did the background move up? What happened? I mean, we just... Oh, wait, what? Uh-oh. I didn't want to move the whole... Oh my god. So, and... So... Okay, I'm just quickly gonna increase this, put this back. Then I'm gonna go to the body. Yeah, what happens? I actually don't know. I'm pretty sure it was like this. But what happened? I really don't understand. I need to decrease the size. Hello? Ah, like this, okay. I really don't know what happened. Like what? Oh. No. No, what? I really have no idea what happened. Okay, wait, the music is gone for some reason again. I'll just quickly search for some new ones. Because this one doesn't work for some reason. Okay, maybe this one. Okay. What? I mean, what happened? I really don't know what happened. It seems like the whole body thing like split here and was pushed up, but the background as well. I mean, the background was easy fix, but oh my god, well, I need to cut it like right there, like this, and then select this, put it up again, decrease this, so let's put it back there. Now the poor head. Okay, what is nothing is still there? Okay. Very interesting. It also affected the head, it seems like. Almost quickly gonna... No. Okay, wait a sec. Like this. Okay, I could technically just take the head from this one. No? I should be able to. Yeah, I guess. Okay, we're back. I want, I'll just make it white for now. I want the spaces like here, like a line, so that we keep standing on like one line without going over it. And I put that line on the head layer of what I did. Okay, wait a sec. I'm just gonna put it on the background layer and on each one. Okay. Good. Now we have that. Because I noticed that this one isn't fully on the ground. Like so. Which we also need to do on this one. On every single one, but on this one here. And I'm just gonna save this. And I'm pretty sure right here on our first character, on the basic one without an animation, it is the same, so we'll just change that real quick, so that's better for future animations and all while we use the basic one. Okay. Now then, let's see real quick. Okay. Oh, then that's like at, I don't know, like 2 layers between these. And then 1 between this one. And then I don't think we need I think surrounding animation is like, okay, I don't think we need I don't think we need the first pose, to be honest. So just do this, and we have this, and this. So this is him running, right? I'm just gonna line it up. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay, then we just need to smooth this part basically. Things now, onion skin would be very nice, but we don't have it for some reason. Just gonna move it up again, because I really need for this part. And I don't know why it's not working. I really don't know why it's not. I mean, Google also says that it should work, but it doesn't. Well, anyway, then I'll just have to go between the different frames. Okay, so I want to edit this one, so edit the foot goes like a few pixels further. Okay. But this one would be nice if I just had the foot in a different yeah, like outline. Maybe I should have done that, and I just deleted a bunch of background for some reason. Like so. And I'm gonna need to put this back, and now we're gonna go here. And we're gonna make a bunch of this foot. Probably not that one. And then we're gonna just do this, take this, and move this whole thing over like so. And then we're gonna add this back in. So put that feedback together. Okay, and I'm gonna just do this. Like so. Yeah, that's fine. I think it was like this. No, the same thing. Like so. Okay, I do want another layer here which shows like a little bit. So why am I on the foreground? I should be here, no? No, not this. Maybe that's too strong. Cause I like this one. No. This one. Nope, nope. Like so. Okay, then we're gonna add the first one so the feet aren't on the ground. Yeah, it's maybe a bit too high. Like so. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, but how do we do it at the other one? It's like only the first part. Now we need to do like the crossing of the legs so that the other leg is at the front and does the same movement. So we need this, and let's move it up a bit. And this should be fine. Okay, and then we need this one copied to. What did I do? I don't know. Well, nope. This. Yeah, because I want this one to. We can also do it like Right here, maybe that's better. Because we want this one to be lower, because this is our first one, and then we need, like... Why did it get that dark? What? Okay, a sprite, how to undo. Okay. Okay, Control Z. Okay. I don't know what happened there, but okay. Hallelujah. Okay, wait. No, I'm on the foreground. Okay, wait. Okay, good. I don't want to put it behind. No, it's too late anyway. Okay, so let's just do this. Do it like this. Then we want it like right there, maybe. Like so. Should be the same cape, yeah. Okay, now we're coming from this one. And then we're going one up. Now one to the side. Going down. Moving the whole body. And then moving up again. Okay, that's gonna happen quite fast, so... Okay, that's like super slow. Okay, now we gotta move the... Okay, that looks really weird, but okay. We gotta move all the rest of the body. I think we want... Like this one, the cape should go up with the leg. On the cape, yeah. Let's do it like this. And here we go. The leg. So. Like so, then let's add a few more pixels here. So we have more of the arch. And I did the wrong way, okay. Okay, like this. And on this one, we want it like this. Like this, I think. Just a tiny bit of movement. Even a tiny bit of movement already does quite a lot. And already onto the headline. So I think that looks better. Then back down again. Then we wanted to flutter a bit more. So like this maybe. Then we want a bit more inward because we have the whole body more inward as well. So this one, maybe. Okay, that's too much, I think. So like this, maybe. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Let's look through it right now. Okay, maybe it's a bit fast. I like that the head is not moving. That should be like going up a bit with the leg, maybe. So we're just gonna move this whole thing. A bit like this. Like this, maybe. And on the head, this one. Okay, we need to bring the horns with us. Like so, I think, right? Like this. And okay, let's see real quick. Okay, it's already a nice addition. Right, the foot is going down, that, and then the next step. Okay, I don't like that. It's going back and forth, really. That's like too much. Yeah, I think This needs to go. And down like this. Like so maybe. I don't know. Darker pixel there. Okay, then we have that. This is too much as well. This should be inwards. That looks like a third leg for some reason. I don't like that. Maybe we should like do it flat. It, like messes with the legs otherwise. Okay, now we gotta round it. Like this is nice. This one shouldn't be. Oh my god, that's way too much. So this maybe. This one needs to go as well. Then we have the same as that. Now everything's moving back one. Then we need to. Oh, I think I know what happened the last time. Oh, anyway. This, I need to move back one. Then one in, another one in. Okay, that seems fine. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay. Then we have our running animation. I just want to see how it looks when it starts. So that we're just going to do this. Oh my god. I'll write this one. Okay. Okay, that's actually fine. I'll just do normal. Yeah, like switches instantly, which is completely fine to be honest. Then let's delete this one. And let's just remove the white line. That for some reason work. Like so. Then let's copy this one again. Put this there, and there we go. Okay, and that didn't work. I just need to quickly do this one. Okay. That's a bit slow. There we go. Okay, for some reason it looks like it's just moving one leg. I mean, it is just moving one leg, but that's not what I wanted. So, yeah. 1 second. Okay. How do we make it so that the other leg is part of it? We could do it. No, I guess it's fine, right? It's not. It definitely looks like it's moving just one leg, and the other one is like creeping behind it. Okay, question is, how do we do that? I want another frame here, and then we're just gonna do it even. Oh my god, I put it on background again. Wait a sec. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay. I'm just quickly gonna do this. Paint it all back in. Then got the body. No, wrong button. Hallelujah. Okay, put this. And for some reason, this one. Oh, I forgot to paint that back in. Okay. No, this and then background, this. Paint this whole thing in. Okay, then there. So, and this is moving. Maybe I should move both at the same time and not just. And this one did move both, and this one just. Oh. Okay, this one is completely useless. Then I need to add on to this. Maybe I need to do this one. Yeah, I should do so. Because that like just doesn't move at all in all of these scenes except the one I just. No, except this one. Okay, so we definitely need to make this one move. And first I want to like be more outside. And for some reason I want the foreground and not the body. So like this, and like this. Alright, then it moves forward. Like that. And then we want to move another bit forward. And no, we don't want it to move a little bit forward. You want it like this. Do we? I think we just do it like this, because this is already moving on forward then. It's like this, and then this one's quite a leap. That's fine though. This, and this is backwards again. Maybe we need to do like this. Because now they basically switched. Maybe I do need to make them touch. I think that's too long. Like here they should already touch. Like so. And now they switched. And now it all starts again. Yeah, I think that's good. The head movement is a bit rapid. So let's look at the head again. Okay, it goes down, stays down, then it jumps back up again. So we wanted to go back up here already, I think. But by how much does it go up? It's just one frame. Which is too little, I think. I think we need to add more onto here then. Oh, like so. And then it's more smoother maybe. Okay, we need to completely smooth that out anyway. Because this, I don't like this. And I'm stuck on the head. I gotta change him to the body. Not that color, this color. Like so. Then save as next frame. There we have it again, and there's that, and that needs to change as well. Like so. Okay. That looks good. Okay, it's moving. Oh, it looks like it's moving. Which is great. Now our question is, what do we do next? I think how about a simple sword strike? No, I think a simple sword strike would do. Okay, let's quickly do a new file. Save it as running. And then let's do a new file. Or we can just use this one, to be honest. That doesn't matter. And it's already a good start to for the sword strike, because we're already like bent a bit. So let's use this. I think I'll keep this one. Not this one, not... Okay. About that, because I don't want these frames. Okay. That's good. This is like the... yeah. Okay, no, not that fast, please. Okay, good. We're gonna step up. Okay, and then come back down. Okay, that's good. Then we can... okay, we're just gonna add some keyframes first. I'll just take this layer. Move it there. No. I think the head can pretty much... I think everything can like stay almost. Because I think we just want to move the sword, because we already have. I'm just gonna add a few extra seconds, extra frame thing. So it's a bit slower. And we can edit stuff here. Okay. Let's take the swords. And I think we want to angle up a bit more. Or do we want it down? I think we want it down. I forgot what the button for... ah, there we go. Okay, that's how we do that. Then, no, is it not on the sword line? I mean, it should be. A bit finicky, okay. Let's do it like this was in the beginning. Let's do it like this. And then let's change this, then add this, there. This gone, this pixel gone. That there. There we go. We have a sword again. Now we're gonna add a new layer. Oh, a new frame, not layer. Like so. Do this, then can we squish it? We can, okay. That's nice. I want to rotate it a tiny bit more. Like so. Then we need some black again. So is actually fine. And then I want this one, but I want to push it there, so it's like that, and then this I want to rotate vertically, and then move it down so it fits. Which I think it is like, hello. Which is like this, maybe? That's a bit hard. Like that, it's a bit pointy. Yeah, it's good. I'm just gonna change a bit of this because that's way too pointy, I think. This should be fine enough. That one gone. That one needs to go like this, like that. This one is too much. Let's add like this right there. Even it a bit out, like so. This one needs to be gone, and then we have our sword again. This is nice, I think. Let's do it like this. Actually, that's a bit much. I think like this. Okay. And then we need this salt. We're just gonna copy it real quick. And there we're gonna delete this salt. Put this back in. Now we want to start striking, so we want it a bit forwards. And like this maybe? Oh, well, I don't know what those pixels are doing, but we're gonna change them right away. If I can figure out where... So maybe I don't want to move the hand like too much. And for some reason it grabbed the whole thing again and not just the sword. Oh my god. Right, I can undo this, right? Like so. Okay. Because for some reason it didn't just grab the sword. Okay, like this maybe then? Okay. So we're gonna remove those weird pixels and gonna smooth this one out. So gonna add a bit of those here. Like so, and it should be the other way, I think, like so. Done like this. We want to tear it a bit. I think that's too much so. Like so. Down like this now. I think that's too much like so, I think. Maybe we're gonna move this handle all down a bit. And this whole thing all up, because it has to stay aligned. Okay. The next scene, sword should be moving. Yeah, the sword should be moving real quick. Oh. Okay, wait, maybe I'll just change that real quick. Like this. Okay. Bring back, please. I don't know what I did. Oh, I put him there. I don't know what happened. Okay, now we are at the cold stage. That's good. Now we want to move the sword. That looks perfect. I want to move the sword, I think, like there. I want to rotate it. Can't I rotate? Like so, maybe. Actually, that looks pretty good, I think. Okay, that's doing way better than I thought. Maybe a bit higher, bigger. Okay, that's fine. Next stage then. I think I'm going to begin like this. That's stretching it quite a while, quite a lot. I don't want it to go like that though. Okay, I mean this is a good base, I'd say. Let's see what we can do with it. I need the handle to be like here. Change that. Do like this. Change all these black pixels. Get back to swords. Edge like this. this. So I think then we're gonna change this. This. I mean, this is just a sword, right? Then I think I want this one. Yeah, we're gonna add this real quick and then add this instead. Delete this. Add this. Flip this. Horizontally. Wrong button. Horizontally. And wrong button again. Horizontally. Right button this time, okay. And then we want to flip it vertically as well. I think it would be better if we do just this one, I think. This, so, and then flip it horizontally. Now we gotta angle it the right way. Like so. Oh my god. Okay. Hallelujah. Like so. That should be fine. So that one we're gonna delete. Oops. It should make a bit less here. Because we're always, like, since going from there, it's always going to be the case. Yeah, it's good. That was slowly gonna put our sword back. I do want to have that leg further down already. By the way, we can change it later on. Okay, first we need to do this step basically. So let's do this. And let's moving the foreground. And let's just quickly do this because I do want the sword hilt to be visible. Oh my god, why does this keep happening? So like this. What? Why? And now move it a tiny bit. And let's see again. It keeps happening. Do I have to like do this now and now it's not happening? Why? I just want to check real quick. Okay, yeah, that is fine. Okay. Now we want to fix this real quick. I think this. Like this. Could also do this. Then we can fix this part. Like so. Now we want this one to be going back already. And a bit swoosh down. And then we want, oh, not this. We want to copy the frame again, and then we can select the sword again, make it very tiny. And then another, oh, again, another where we just have it completely small. Actually, we want to increase it a bit to like this, maybe. And then we have it like this, but again, I keep messing those buttons up. Again, we have this, and then we gotta switch this down as well. To the key. Switch this down like this. So. Okay. Now just this, let's just look just at the sword. Let's do the one. That looks fine. I think that's too many frames for the putting it back thing, you know? But we'll just go with it for now. Okay, so this is fine. Then it goes into the next phase of swing, and then it should swing, and then right here it should already be on the ground, the hood. So we'll just do that real quick. The music stopped. One moment. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Like so. Okay. Now then, there you go. Do want that it's already on the ground. While the swing happens. And that should be for every single frame here. Actually, you can probably use this part. Right? Like so, I think. Alright, those on the different except this part here. Yeah, that should be fine. I don't think that it's moving that way. It's moving completely in. That's stepping out one more, okay. It should stay the same. Okay, we're gonna change this part. So it's like, oh, so it's like this. Okay. So that looks good. Okay, it definitely needs more power, and I think that's something we can accomplish with the cape. Okay, so normal, switching it, and right there, I think we can start right there. I think here we should make the cape rather a bit more. We'll just see how this looks. And here we need to copy this, put into. Okay, that's not something I wanted to do, and that's also not something I wanted to do. Like this again, right? So yes, we can just add pixels to the cable without, oh my god, without yeah, deleting some, because that would be unproportional. So like this, I think. Then I want to keep this one to be applied here as well. And then it's settling again. I think there's too many steps with this one. I think this one's unnecessary. But we're going straight from there to there. And then like that. Let's see. Maybe we even add like flutter up instead of just down. So like this maybe. Like so. Now I can leave a bit of here. I think I'm gonna add that to here, add this one to this one, and this one to this one. Let's see at 1.5. Okay, that's a nice slash. Maybe I even wanted to go a bit further. So instead of this, I am going to add a little bit of this and then like further down. Okay, let's see. Do this. Just remove these pixels. Oh. Not those. We need those. Get this back in. This, I think. That one was kind of important. So the swing is a bit wider. Yeah, I think that looks fine. Then let's do visual effects. Sure, that should be fine. Now here we would need onion skin, but it doesn't work for some reason. Do we have like... No, it should work. I don't understand why it doesn't. No. Yeah, I don't actually know why it doesn't work. I'll look into it next time. But let's add the effects just for now like this with scene hopping. I do want a bit of fire effects. So let's add a bit of orange, I guess. Let's add them. Where do we want to add them? I think I want to add them at the blade directly. I think we can like do like this. And the other effects this way. So maybe. And then yeah, we can do this, then the music stopped again. I heard it this time right away. I don't know why the music keeps stopping. Well, anyway. I don't want this select the demo. I want... Wait, did I add it at the sword layer? I think I added it at the sword layer. What's happening? Is it not the sword layer? Well, which layer did I add them? At the body? Oh my god, why did I add them at the body layer? Okay, we're gonna add them at the visual effects layer, obviously. Do them a bit brighter, like so. And we wanna put them there, I think. Like so. Okay. then we can add a bit. Hello? Ah, let's kill that. We can add a bit more of them here. There. 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 So maybe. The next one I want one there. 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 Here, we like here. Okay, no, that's no. I like this one. We can have like this. So, and then here, there, and there. That's good. Here, there. Like this. I wanna. Okay, wait. Let's see real quick. Okay. Then we want a few sparks. Like so. Things. Like so. Yeah, man, onion skin would be awesome right now. Yep. So then we can add them like right here as well. They want the salt still. Show it. So So right here, I think it was something like this, or a lot sharper. Like this, I think. There, there. This one has some that are just gonna drop down. Like so, I think. Then further down. That's that. Let's see. Okay. Well, it does something. I think I gotta do it differently though, and not like this, but like the outline. That's something I gotta do, I think. It's like this. Oh wait, this. Maybe. I have an idea. I'm gonna grab this, make it quite a bit bright, just like this maybe, and make it like more white. And then there was the one, this one. It was like this. Like this, I think. Actually, let's change this real quick. I wanna see how the sword was before, like that, okay. So we can do it like this. And then we need to... Oh god, okay, wait a sec. Like this. Okay. That we do need to do differently, what you're saying. I think I know what's happened. We need this, and then we still need to do this, because we're on the effects layer. Okay, that's not what we do. Because we're on the view effects layer, and the rest is all on different layers, so it doesn't register that as actual points. And I think this is good, I think. I don't know if I like these spots then though. the spots and I'll add them here. Yeah, maybe we can do that, but we'll add them as like, hello? We'll add them as big spots here, like so. Maybe. That seems fine, I think. Let's do it smaller like that. And that looks fine. Now we have a swing. And I'm gonna delete these things because we don't need them anymore. Now I do need this part, so like from here and here to there. So like this. Then we're gonna add more spots again. Oh. Like so. Are we gonna add these ones? Why is it on the foregrounds? Oh my god. Oh my god. Delete this and put it into, yeah. Okay. I think I want these ones, except these parts. Okay. It's not what I wanted, and this is also not what I wanted. Oh my god. I gotta change this again. This. And this. Yeah, this is something copy and put it into here. Now I need to change this a bit. Like so. Then we can do this. That's good. That's good. And we're gonna put those away for now. I think I wanna add like afterwards, this right here, I want to outline like this. Things that are like, yeah, not part of it. Yeah, this one here. Oh my god, okay, wait, that was too much. Like so, the music stopped playing again. I try to figure out why that keeps happening. But yeah. Okay, let's see. This one gone. So now it's good again. Now okay, I'm gonna do this, and then like that. Like so. Adding it all around the character. That was too much room. There we go. Now bucket, put it in. That wasn't correct because that's the text here. I'm just gonna do it right now like this. Okay. There I got this color. This. Do this. I want this. Like so. Smaller. Then from there down there. Yeah. Okay. Then let's add like this part, let's say. Cause we will move all of this except this. Oh. Oops. Right there. Like so. Deselecting everything. Copy this, put this in here. Done doing these parts. Getting this color, doing this, like so. Doing the same outline again, so we can fit it in. in. And then we can get this color a bit bigger, so this again. So, and that's that. Quickly gonna delete all of these. And all these. Okay. Now it actually looks like he's swinging. I don't like the spots, I think. So I'll just fill those in. So, yeah, that. This one, going on with this one. Now it looks cleaner. Okay, and now I want these spots to go as well. Why did that happen? Okay, please. There we go. Now let's see again. Okay, that's quite nice. It's more basic. I don't know, for some reason. No, it's just too little body movement. But technically that's the character. Okay. Yeah, I think that's... That's what we did. Okay. So that's like the basic slash, I'd say. This is the idle. I'm just put it back. And I forgot to do the leg for some reason. Put this one. Like so. Now it's just a head. Good, and we have the running animation as well. This one I want to do faster. Okay. Yeah, that's all we have right now, which is quite alright for what, almost 2.5 hours now. That's I don't know, it feels like such so much time, but I guess it just takes time. But yeah, I think that's the stream. I'm just gonna save everything real quick and yeah.